Roxy wants to eat her. Roxy!
Kimmy.
Jordans! Do you have the new retro Jordans? I ain't got no Jordans here. Let's go!
Hey, man. He loves them all right. For real? What's wrong with those? Amandito. Hey! Oye! Ah! Good, good, good.
Will you be my Valentine? Did you just...
Ты домой, что ли, в калитку?
Give a little bit, I'll give a little bit of my love to you. Don't take the word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl.
Oh, hey, buddy. Want some? Here you go.
Wee wee! Wee 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 wee!
Oh, give it kids this. I'm just kind of getting vibes.
What's your favorite? Now walk it out. 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 Now walk it out.
Hey, yo, chicken, come here. Yeah, what's up, dog? I heard you cross the road. Oh, you think I crossed the road? You think I crossed? Get up out my face with that, but I ain't crossed no road.
Ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried.
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
Hey, you know. No, no.
Solano, can I have a few words with you? Thank you.
Hey, fat boy, what do you got there? You got something for me to eat? There's nothing there. Oh, you done already ate it, didn't you?
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Get off my car! Devil punk! Go! Off!
You do it.
Bye!
Nah, what else is on? Nope. Yeah, you wanna see that?
I can talk to squirrels.
Hello, 911. I'd like to report a murder. Someone stabbed a dolphin with a mailbox.
Shut up.